Welcome back. I'm going to do the third layer on the grayscale. So the paper is wet, should be ready to go. And for those just joining me, I'm just using a Payne's Gray with a pipette. The mixture of paint to water is about a milk consistency. For those of you who have been contacting me about your color layering, I think it's important that you make sure the paints you're using are transparent. Otherwise, they will get too milky or too hazy looking. I'm just going to give the paint some help here, moving it into these masked areas. And while this may look quite dark to you, it will dry substantially lighter. And I'm just using it as my value study. Because again, most of us don't see colors as values. So it'll start to have you think that way. Just moving it around. And that is basically it. Just do a little cleanup. I'll let that, let some of the runoff happen, and then I'll let it dry at least a day before I add my final layer. Or I say final, the next layer, because there are a few more. I do see I have a hair from the brush, so I do like to pick those out. And I'll just move this again around. It'll be a little easier for you at home because you'll be using the board towards you. Again, I have one of those hairs again. There you go. Till next time, have a great day.